guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do something a bit different. We're going to create a smoky halo glittery eye look. So I started off by taking Loreal from the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm using a Sephora crease brush to blend this color onto my crease. Then right after, we're gonna go in with Bon Fresco. I think that's how you pronounce it. I think that means happy. I feel like I've heard that before. Anyway, but you're just going to basically put this color onto your crease right on top of Loreal and blend those two colors in together. So we're going to be blending a lot in this look, so get your blending hands out, girlfriend, because oh girl, you're gonna need them a lot. You're gonna feel like your fingers and your hands are falling off. I'm just kidding. I'm totally kidding. You're not gonna feel that way. So then right after, we're going to go in with Cypress Umber, and we're just going to take the BH Cosmetics 121 brush, and we're just going to work our outer corner with this color here. So then we're going to go ahead and take this color into our inner corners of our eye, and we're just going to drag it like towards the middle, but we are going to leave that space in the middle to have that halo effect. So then I went in with a Sephora blending brush just to blend the color onto the previous shades on my eyelids. So yeah, we're just going to do that so it's well blended. So then I took my Sephora crease blending brush and just blending everything in together at the crease. So here I'm just adding more Cypress Umber onto the outer corner and inner corner of my eyes just to emphasize the look and make it look a lot darker. Once again, we're taking the Sephora blending brush and just blending the Cypress Umber out since we did add more onto our eyes. So here I'm just taking my Sephora crease brush and blending everything in onto the crease so it looks like it's well blended and smoothly like goes onto the crease. So taking the Shape and Tape concealer, I'm concealing the middle of my eyelid just to create that halo effect. I am using a Morphe concealer brush for this, and then I did also like blend in with my finger. So from the same palette, we are taking the color Vermeer, and we're just going to apply this onto our eyelid to create that halo effect. Right after, I went in with the BH Cosmetics 121 brush and just blended everything thoroughly so we don't have any harsh lines. Then I went in with Loreal and Bon Fresco, and I took like a small little blending brush and I applied this underneath my waterline. Then I went in with Cypress Umber with the same brush. I went ahead and applied this color underneath my waterline, but I sort of left the middle out, like I didn't apply the color onto the middle of my lower waterline just yet because I am going to add Vermeer down there as well. So taking the Stilla Metal Glitter, I applied this, I don't remember the color of this. I will link it down below, but I'm going to apply this on top of Vermeer and just blend it with my finger. did also apply the Stilla Metal Glitter onto my lower lash line in the middle, as well as Vermeer. Using my favorite mascara, the Voluminous by Loreal, and I'm just applying this on the top and lower lashes. For lipstick, I'm using the color Androgyny by Jeffree Star. Sorry I didn't get the whole clip. And here I'm prepping my lashes for falsies, and I will be using the StardelLash number 82. And I am using the Duo Glue Adhesive to apply them. Okay loves, so we have officially finished this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you guys did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Love you guys. Mwah.